Imagine a world where race cars zoom past, powered by engines that not only dominate the track, but also protect the planet. A Japanese energy company, Idemitsu Kosan Co. Ltd., has created something revolutionary: the world's first racing engine oil made from over 80% plant-based materials. It's called Idemitsu IFG Plantech Racing, and it's set to change the motorsports industry forever. This new oil not only meets the tough API-SP certification, proving its high quality, but it's also 194% stronger and cuts friction by 50% compared to top competitor oils. What's more, it reduces carbon emissions by 82%, making it a game-changer for eco-friendly motorsports. Idemitsu's Plantech Racing Oil is made mostly from plants like palm oil and rapeseed oil, certified by the RSPO, Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil. This means the oil doesn't just protect engines, it also helps protect the planet. By reducing the reliance on fossil fuels, this oil paves the way for a future where racing is not only exciting, but also sustainable. To show just how serious they are about this innovation, Idemitsu tested their oil against some of the best oils available. The results? Plantech Racing Oil is 194% stronger in durability, meaning it lasts longer under tough conditions. It is also 169% better at protecting engines, keeping them in tip-top shape, 156% more efficient in oil consumption, so less oil is needed, and 113% better in fuel economy, saving money and reducing emissions. The secret behind Plantech Racing's incredible performance lies in its use of molybdenum ester technology. This technology combines molybdenum with plant-based esters to create a powerful, durable oil. Molybdenum cuts power loss caused by friction, helping high-speed engines run smoother and faster. The plant esters make a thicker, tougher oil film, protecting the engine parts better during intense races. This oil's 82% lower carbon footprint is a massive improvement compared to traditional mineral oils. It's an important step toward achieving sustainability goals in motorsports, including Formula One's ambitious Net Zero 2030 target. Imagine a world where racing cars zoom by, powered by engines that don't harm the planet. This oil is making that dream a reality. Idemitsu tested their plant-based oil in a real-world race. Mazda Spirit Racing's Roadster CNF concept car used Plantech Racing Oil in a grueling 5-hour race in Japan's Super Taikyu series. The results were outstanding. The oil's durability helped the car perform consistently throughout the race. The reduced friction kept the engine running efficiently, even under intense conditions. The team manager at Mazda Spirit Racing called it a game-changer, showing that eco-friendly solutions can still deliver high performance. Idemitsu isn't stopping in Japan. They've already started selling Plantech Racing Oil in countries like Thailand, Australia, Singapore, and Malaysia, and soon it will be available in even more places, including the United States, Brazil, Mexico, India, and China. Their goal? To make motorsports greener everywhere, proving that high performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. While Plantech Racing Oil was designed for racing cars, its advanced technology has big potential outside of motorsports too. Trucks, buses, and construction equipment can use this oil to improve fuel efficiency, reduce maintenance costs, and lower emissions. Factories and power plants could benefit from this eco-friendly oil, as it provides better durability and performance for heavy machinery. By using plant-based materials, Idemitsu is setting an example for many industries to follow, showing that green solutions can also be powerful and efficient. Idemitsu's Plantech Racing Oil is just the beginning of a new era in motorsports. By proving that plant-based oils can outperform traditional ones, Idemitsu's leading the way toward a greener future. This oil is a win for the environment, the racing industry, and even for fans who love the thrill of motorsports. It shows that technology and nature can work together to create something amazing. And now, we want to hear from you. Do you think motorsports can go fully green in the future? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on groundbreaking innovations. We will see you in the next video.